Hi everyone, I just want to present you what just arrived. These are the My Blades. Many of you might have seen already reviews around on internet, and some of you might have been even be a backer of this project. This has been in Indiegogo, Kickstarter, I don't remember, but it's about a new sustainable blade. So this is a German company who sent me was Moritz directly from the company. So thank you very much indeed. And they currently carry 3 products. These are 2 DE blades and 1 platinum half split blade. So these are the platinums and this is the silver. So basically the idea of the platinum is that it's made out of 80% recycled steel. So much more efficient, eco-friendly, and also by the melting and by the production they don't use fossil energy for that. So that's the claim of more sustainable and environmental friendly blade. Also the packaging is all carbon board, so you can easily recycle when you're done. Also with the blade, also you can recycle blades. So they have 2, the platinum, and also they have the silver. Apparently only the platinum is the more eco-friendly, and also it's a little bit more expensive, but it also carries the silver. The difference between the silver and the platinum, as I read on the blog and as I was speaking with Moritz, is that, well, the platinum is the recycled one, but also the silver is the German steel. It is harder and it is sharper blade, harder blade, sharper, and maybe more to the, because it's hard, it reminds me more to the direction of the, you know, straight razor, shavette, maybe type of shave, or feeling at least. And he says should be for a more advanced shaver. And the platinum maybe still sharp, but more mild, or more flexible, more comfortable eventually. I think I'll put them both to the test side by side. So also let's talk about the blades here. The half split. It's very normal cardboard, almost like a drawer here that you get your single blades. And out of the platinum one, you open here sideways. Here is the pack. Let me just take it out. And that's the pack. You see my blades here, the blade count 10, and here on the back, open here, and platinum and the lot fabrication number. When you crack them open, the platinum provides you with like some motivational quotes or phrases for each blade, different for each blade. You can find like my blades, the site, and everything like this. And then it comes with the logo and my blades, and the sides are lettered here A, and the other side, the flip side, is B. But this is it. So like the blade and the logo. With the silver one, you basically open in the front, if my nails allow, and you open in the front, and you see the full tuck here. And as you take the blade, they're quite similar. The only difference is that this one shows silver, obviously, but if not, a very plain package. And then you see here the silver blade, and the silver blade also double packaged, double wrapped. But in the silver one, you will also find silver engraved. So this is it. Should be harder well, let's do the test on a shaving video. But these are just a quick video to show you what has just arrived, what I'll be shaving soon. And that's it. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next shave. Cheers.